Let's do a little bit of beginner French conjugation, shall we? Coming up. Hello, my friend. My name is Claire, and my mission is to teach you French with a smile. So, my friend who is beginner in French, let's do these easy verbs in the present tense in French. Le verbe avoir, to have. Tu as mal au dos. You have a bad back. Encore une fois. Tu as mal au dos. Ensemble. Now you repeat with me, my friend, within the comfort and privacy of your own home. Tu as mal au dos. Very good. Now to sing is chanter. Elle ne chante pas assez fort. She doesn't sing loud enough. Encore une fois, elle ne chante pas assez fort. Ensemble, repeat with me. Elle ne chante pas assez fort. Very good. To finish something, to terminate, finir. Elles finissent leur livre. They finish their book. Encore une fois. Elles finissent leur livre. Ensemble, repeat with me. Elles finissent leur livre. Very good. Now, to be is être, and on the E there is an accent which is like a hat. It is called un accent circonflexe. To be, être. Nous sommes très attentifs. We pay a lot of attention. Encore une fois. Nous sommes très attentifs. Ensemble, nous sommes très attentifs. Now, to take something is prendre, and it is also used for motion, going into a vehicle, traveling by car, by plane, all of that. Prendre l'avion, prendre le car, prendre la voiture. Prendre, to take. Vous prenez l'avion. You take the plane. Encore une fois, vous prenez l'avion. Ensemble, vous prenez l'avion. The last verb is to paint. Peindre. Il peint le mur. He paints the wall. Encore une fois, il peint le mur. Ensemble, il peint le mur. Yes, you did it! Congratulations, my friend! And as always, if you want one-to-one lessons with me or another great French tutor, we teach on Preply, and the link is below. If you need the slides, go to frenchwithasmile.net. And I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!